your girl, Naturally D, coming to you with another natural hair tutorial. I'm about to do a wash and go on this. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. I know. And I know the normal YouTubers had their face all done up and run up, you know. But for me, I'm going to start out with the hair first. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to start in the back. Anyways, y'all, I'm a little extra sometimes. But start in the back, y'all. So I'm going to put this in a ponytail to get it out my way. Y'all, it is soaking wet. I just washed it, so it is wet. And the products I will be using today is a wide tooth comb. I may use the knockoff denim brush. Some jam for my little edges, you know. And then for my moisturizer, I'll be using Oil Moisture BB. Okay. And for the price of this is $6.99, so you guys know. And for this big old thing of gel, y'all, African, non-flaky. Y'all only got this for $3.99 or $4.99. That's not bad, y'all. So, and I also got some ties, you know. And if I wanted to put a hairband on, also got that too. But let's get started. I'm about to do a wash and go. Y'all, we're going to attempt this wash and go here, okay? I'm not saying I'm the best at wash and goes, but I'm trying to train my hair to do them. I'm mainly a mini twist girl. I do that all day, every day. And I have trained my hair to do that. So now I need to train my hair to do wash and goes because I have tried it and that stuff got really nappy. And this is a way to find out if your moisturizer is going to go right with your gel. So you just pump a little bit of that. And then you take a little of your gel. As you can see. And you mix it around and it'll tell you if it go together. And as I'm seeing, I don't think it's gonna go together. I should have tested this beforehand. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna get something else because look how bad that look. We're not gonna mix those two things. No, not today. Okay, I am back. But anyways, I had to go get a different conditioner because that didn't work. That did not blend very well together. So I went and I got, hold on y'all, I gotta get this ready for you because it's a little messy, y'all, you know. But anyway, I had this for a little bit, but I don't know if you guys remember this, the wind. So I'm going to mix the wind with the African gel. So let's get started. I'm going to put wind on first. I don't know. Some people be thinking that their YouTube video has to be perfect, but I'm sorry, I am not perfect. I make mistakes. We all do. Then I take some of my gel. And then I usually use Cantu, but at this moment, y'all, I do not have any Cantu. So I can't use that right now. And I take my little denim brush to get my ends. If that's not combed out, this is not going to go well. It is not. Okay, it's still frizzy. We're gonna work on it. Y'all. My hair might need a little more gel. Yeah, I think that's better. More gel it is. Because my hair is very kinky, y'all. Very kinky. There we go. Now it's clumping together and the curls are popping. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. It takes some time to get your wash and go right, but I'm getting it. I'm getting it. But I know some people do that shingling method. That ain't gonna work for me. That takes too long, y'all. I would not do a wash and go if I have to do the shingling method. Ooh, look at those curls. They clumping. Ugh. You girls, the curls are popping. I'm excited. I'm excited. Look at them. Hey. They clamping. Bam, look at that. The only problem is I know I'm going to get a lot of shrinkage. A lot of shrinkage. Okay. Ah, I done got this thing tangled in my hair. See, this is why I don't like bands, okay? No bands for me. On to the next part. And y'all, I'm not finna do this whole video on just this because I know y'all do not want to watch me do my whole head. But I will do a couple sections. Just to show you guys how I'm doing it. Put my little moisture on there. Not too much, not too little. Oh. There we go. Oh, look at those curls, baby. They're popping. But look at that shrinkage. You see this? Look at the shrinkage. It's real. It's real. There's nothing we can do about it. That's the wonders of natural hair. I'm just going to take a clump, like a lot of gel, y'all. Because it seems like my hair needs it. A lot of gel in order for this to work for me. A little more. So pray for me that this turns out how I want it to be. Because a sister is not playing. And y'all, all my little bloopers, I will not be taking them out. Do y'all know this editing thing is so hard? Like, it's a lot harder than I was expecting. Man. But I get it, I get it. See, this natural stuff, it takes time to get through it. Let me see if I can get through it with a wide tooth comb. I should have did this first. Yeah, it's going easily through that, but this, yeah. But it is clumping, guys. My curls is popping. Can put a little bit more on my roots because it don't seem like it's hitting it as much. But see, the ends is popping, baby. It's just my roots. I don't know if I like too much. Let me even put a little bit more on this one. On the root part. I bet you it's going to take hours for this to dry, y'all. Hours. There we go. It's clumping though, y'all. I'm shocked I can comb through all the way through it, y'all. Look at that. Ooh. Look like it's gonna turn out okay, y'all. Pray for me. Okay. It's clumping. It's clumping. Okay. Next section. But y'all, I am loving this YouTube adventure. It's pretty cool to be able to show you guys the different things I do to my hair to get it popping. And even you guys can teach me something, you know what I mean? We can teach each other. You know what I'm saying? Because I can learn from y'all just as much as y'all can learn from me. I don't know all the trendy hairstyles right now. Y'all can tell me some new trendy hairstyles. But I can show y'all some hairstyles y'all probably don't even know about. See? So we can work together and help each other. Woo. That is way too much. Okay. Always start at your end too, guys. Never start at the beginning. At the top. Yes, my lovely doubly gel. Start working my way down. Working my way down, walking fast. Don't pay me no mind, y'all. Just been a little extra. I just like that song and that movie. Shout out to the person that made that song. It's pretty cool, especially for movies. That song with Elf will for always be remembered. Okay, let's see if these clumping together, y'all. Ooh, look at those girls, y'all. Damn. Okay. That will be all. We're not trying to make this video super long. I will show you guys what it look like when I am done. So see ya in a minute. Now, guess who said they were not gonna do this shingling method? I kind of had to do that, y'all, because it wasn't working. And I finally got a little curls. You see that? That's popping, baby. But yeah, the shingling method, oh, that takes forever. But it came out pretty good, y'all. What y'all think? But I'm hoping by tomorrow this will be dry and be cute and none of this white stays. Pray for me. But I will come back to you guys tomorrow to show you the final results. I put a lot of gel on here, y'all. Seriously. I seriously did. I drenched it because it was not curling. It was not doing anything at all. But I gelled this really bad. So y'all pray for me that this comes out as cute as it look now. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow and let you see the final results. Okay? Hey, it's the next day with my wash and go. It is not completely dry. Like, my roots are still wet, but there is not a lot of residue or anything. And it's pretty nice, but I just don't like the shrinking look. It's kind of too tiny for me. I like it when it's like down here. So I will be making another video, so be looking out for that video on how I stretch my wash and go out. But it's cute, guys. Look at my curls. Do you know? They are popping. Yes, yes. It's pretty good. But anyway, please make sure you subscribe. Tune in for the next video I post. So hit that bell so you can receive a notification for when I put up another video. And I'll see you guys next time. So see ya later, my naturalistas. Love ya. Peace.